Hi, Dave Singletary here with DJS Digital. Today we're going to take a look and see how you can leverage AI to manage projects. We're going to take a look at this product called Hive. I created a video earlier about how Hive can connect to your Gmail. So we're going to take it a step further. So if I log into my Hive account, I have an email here that says create a monthly podcast. So maybe I've never created a podcast before and I'm looking for some steps to do it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to first create an action, and I'm going to open that action in Hive. So here's the action. So they have an AI tool that's called Hive Mind Assist. So I'm going to click this icon, and it takes the title of my email and create a monthly podcast for October. So I'm going to click on this option to suggest steps. So now it's going through and creating different tasks that you can do as far as creating a monthly podcast. Now, obviously, you could make changes to this. You could try again or discard altogether. But the cool thing you could do now is I can add sub actions. And what that does, it puts it here. And from here, I can assign it to people. I can assign due dates. And obviously, I can add more actions if I needed to. So just like that, I'm able to create some action items that's for creating a podcast, and I can schedule it and work using this as a tool to manage creating my podcast. So this is a very simple example. Obviously, you could do it from some more involved projects, but this is just an example how AI can help you in a little way of creating a project plan. So if you have any questions around this or any other automation items, feel free to reach out to me at DGS Digital. Thank you.